everyone, this is Cafeccino. I'm Ramshan Nadeem, finally back with another interesting recipe. As I was a bit busy in my midst and they went great, alhamdulillah, finally they're over. So now I'm posting another video which is the most requested recipe since years. Literally since years. This is my signature Tandoori smoked pasta. So without wasting any time, let's get started. So start by marinating your boneless chicken cubes with some ginger garlic paste, some crushed green chilies, some plain yogurt, some spice blend. I will give the link in the I will give you all the list of the spices and each and every ingredient along with the quantities in the description box below. Also add in some vinegar and some oil. Let that marinate for around 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, cut some of your bell peppers. I'm just using one, you can use even more. And heat up your pan, add in some oil and one finely diced beautifully ripe red tomato. Let it fry for around 3 to 4 minutes and then add in some diced raw mango, which is sour and which is yummy. So add that too and let it cook for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now mango is of course the optional. If it's seasonal you can add, and it will give you a hint of nice and sour tint that will give you your pasta a tarty kind of taste. Once they are cooked and slightly mushy, add in your chicken and fry this on high to medium high flame because we need to evaporate the water as quickly as possible and we don't need to overcook our chicken basically. Now we'll, after 4 to 5 minutes, add in some chili garlic sauce and the diced bell pepper. Now this is the pasta recipe which doesn't include too many vegetables because someone asked me for kind of a non-veg pasta recipe, so this is the one for you guys. Now once that's done, mix in your boiled pasta. So I'm using spiral shape here, but you can use any of your favorite shape. My personal preference or my trick is to dump in half of the pasta quantity first and then toss that together and then add the remaining half, so that makes it super easy and less time consuming to mix in all the pasta with the sauce and without disturbing the shape of it. Once that's done, let it cook for a few minutes and then place make a well in between and place a little piece of aluminum foil and some really hot piece of coal. Just spray it or drizzle some oil on top and let it smoke there for around 5 to 10 minutes. And the pasta is done. Do make this recipe and do share your experiences with me. It just makes my day. And as always, eat, drink and think. Bye guys.